In this video, I will show how to remove duplicate entries in Microsoft Excel. So, in the Home tab, Conditional Formatting, click here and hover cursor to highlight cells, and here click on Duplicate Values. Select Duplicate, and here you can select any highlight like light red fill with dark red text. Then click on OK. Firstly, select Data. Then click on OK. Now click on Data and click this one, Remove Duplicates. You can select all and you can select column, then click on OK. So this is the setting you can remove duplicate in Excel. Thanks for watching.